Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the black screen and flickering issue you're having on your Roku TV. And this is actually really easy to fix. Now, one trick you can try with your remote is going to it, and you want to go ahead and press the home button 5 times, press up once, and then the rewind button twice, and then the fast forward button twice. So this will go ahead and restart your TV a few times and your screen will turn off. But it should fix your issue with the black screen flickering. So let's press the home button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Press up, rewind button twice, fast forward button twice, and it will do a bunch of stuff on your screen, and your TV will go ahead and restart now. So a bunch of stuff will automatically be happening on your screen. Just go ahead and let it sit, and your TV should restart and reset, and the black screen issue should be resolved. So once again, you want to press the home button 5 times, up on the touchpad here, then rewind button twice, then the fast forward button twice, and you should be good to go. Now it's restarting my TV, and I'm not doing anything with my remote. And we're back to the home screen here, and we should be able to move around with the remote. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.